Hello, today I'll be discussing the Masons and the Eastern Stars. Now I did a part 1 and I covered the Masons, so this is part 2 and I'll be discussing the Eastern Stars. So this is the Eastern Stars right here. They're the oldest black women's sorority. They're also a cult and they're the sister organization of the Masons. In order to join this organization, you have to be related to a Mason. Now dating back, they were formed because the wives of the Masons were complaining so much because the husband had to keep so many secrets and it was a lot of money leaving out of their households. It was ruining households because the Masons was, giving money to a lot of their Mason causes. So that's how the Eastern Stars were formed. Now the Eastern Stars, this is their symbol right here. This is called the Star of Bethlehem or the Morning Star. But this is Lucifer. The Morning Star, that's Lucifer. So this is a demonic symbol. This symbol is also called the 5-pointed star, and each point represents a degree. So what they did with this was, so they gave each point 5 female biblical names. So the first name was Jephthah, daughter. The second one was Ruth. Third one was Esther. Then you had Martha and Electa.
Supposedly these characters were taken from the Bible, which I can't find any character named Electa in the Bible at all.
So that's what they named it. But as you can see, they kept these symbols, which are pagan symbols. If you don't know what pagan means, pagan is a religion. They don't believe in the Most High God. They only worship lower gods and deities or demons. So this is a demonic sign and this is a demonic symbol. So what I'm going to do now is I'll show you I'm going to show you the first pagan goddess. So this first pagan goddess is Goddess Diana or Luna. This is the goddess of hunt, witchcraft, and sorcery. She's demonic. The second one would be the goddess of Goddess Flora, the goddess of springtime and flowers. The Romans would what the Romans would do, they would hold a festival every year in spring in honor of her, and people would participate in orgies. The third one is the goddess Hebe. She was a goddess of youth. So the fourth one was Goddess Thetis. And Goddess Thetis, she's a goddess of the sea. And the fifth one is Goddess Arima. There's no picture of her. Now, most of the Mason and Eastern Stars, a lot of them don't even know that this stuff is demonic. And if you go through their literature, the word God will pop up a few times, but it doesn't say which God, because Lucifer is a God to them. You'll never see anything that says like the Most High God. That's how they cover this stuff up. So a lot of them are not even aware. So if this is something that you're trying to get out of, you can denounce it, pray to God, the Most High God, and ask Him to release this from you, because these are demonic organizations.
The words, the act, the time, the blindfold, the chart, everything, even the pledge of secrecy is exactly the same. There is no difference. And the 6th level initiation of witchcraft, blood sacrifices, are the same initiation to the highest level of Freemasonry. And this is exactly what these secret societies, the Order of the Eastern Stars, do. They have to take an oath. They have to take pledge of secrecy. They have to take oaths of secrecy. And there is nothing biblical about making pledges and oaths, that we should make pledges and oaths to any secret society. Jesus did nothing in secret. That's what makes this occult so devastating to any family.